Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we're going to look at a Milwaukee SDS rotary hammer drill. This is going to be model 260520, and as you can see, I use this one an awful lot. I use several of the electric versions, but this one has the advantage of using a battery, especially if I use one of the high output HD12s. It will really go a long way, and it even adds a little extra weight to the unit that makes it a little easier. And all they do is slide on just like that. Of course, take it off. Makes it really nice because a lot of times I'm working out away from power sources and it's not easy to plug something in. So this I can do anywhere. Now this is an SDS model. If you're not familiar with SDS, this is going to use a 7/8 inch shank, and the SDS just has grooves on the end, and all you do is simply pull this little black lever back and insert it. Now this one is going to have the anti-vibration handle. If you notice, it pushes in. Makes a huge difference because this has almost 2 pounds of banging power, which is a little hard on you. Your actual adjustments are here, which you're going to have either rotary all by itself, you're going to have rotary with the hammer motion, or you can do hammer motion by itself. So this is great for chiseling as well. And I'll give you an example. I've been digging out underneath my home, and when I got underneath there, the ground was so hard because it had been covered since the 1950s. It was hard to shovel. So I ended up using this within the hammer motion to actually break that dirt out. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to drill a small hole in concrete here just to give you an idea of the difference in this and trying to use just a rotary type drill. So we are going to put it on hammer drill mode, which is right here. It's going to be my center, and we are just going to start it. Now that is solid concrete. That is not a concrete like center block. So it is very, very stout, and this has been set up probably 10 years or more. So it is not going to be wet concrete. That's how quick these things can drill. So if you're going to be putting anything like wedge anchors or anything, you need something like this. So if I was rating this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because it's amazing. I love the portability of it. I love the simplicity. There's also a handle, by the way, that goes on the front, so you can use that handle. I just don't use it very often. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.